Today we will show you how to spit roast chicken drumettes using a Cyprus grill and the multi-use Cyprus basket. First, lightly coat your drumettes in oil or butter, then mix through. We are using the Butcher BBQ Butter Flavour grilling oil. Place the drumettes in the basket and secure the lid on its lowest setting. Next, light your charcoal using an electric fire wand or charcoal chimney. The Flaming Coals fire starter wand will have you cooking in under 5 minutes. Attach the skewer to the spit and switch on the motor. Allow the drumettes to roast for 40 minutes to an hour or until golden brown. Once cooked, remove from the basket and dust with your favourite Kosmos Q Wing Dust flavour. A quick, easy and delicious dish.